Hi again, kindergartners. We're going to work again in this video on some counting. And in the first video, we did a lot of forward counting, and now we're going to work on backwards counting. So I'm just reminding you again that we start with the larger numbers or the bigger numbers when we do backwards counting, and we go this direction until we get to the smaller numbers. So we're going to practice the first time from the number 10. And you guys are probably really good at this. We have 10. What's going to come before 10? So we say 10, 9. That's right. Write number 9 in the air. 9. Did yours look like that? Good. So we have 10, 9. What comes before 9? 8. Go ahead and put your finger on the table in front of you and write an 8. Oop. Gave you a sneak peek. 8. What comes before 8? 7. Write it in the air. See if yours looks like mine. There it is. Does yours look like mine? 7. What comes before 7? 6. Write it in the air. Did yours match? Okay. So I have another numeral track. We're going to keep going, but again, I don't have enough hands. I need to be an octopus, and I'm not. Okay, so we are leaving off at 6. What comes before 6? 5. What comes before 5? You got it, 4. Can you draw that in the air for me? Did yours look just like mine? Before 4 is 3. Write it on the table with your finger, of course. I hope it looked just like that. Before 3 is 2, and before 2 is 1. So if you can, right now, with somebody next to you, I want you to start at the number 8 and count backwards. So pretend you only started at this number 8 and then count backwards all the way until you get to 0. Okay, let's do it together this time. Ready? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Good job. Now, we're going to try one starting from a bigger number. And if you can't do it, that's okay. Do it with me, and I'll help you along. We're going to start with this number. What is that number? It's 20, the number 20. So something kind of cool happens here. We go from this 20 family, and when we go backwards, we have to go to the family that comes before it. And that family is, what family is going to be before the 20s? Did you say the teen family? I hope you did. You're right. And it's going to be 19. What comes before 19? 20, 19. Did you say 18? Let's take a look. See if you can see how these two are similar. I see 10, 1 and a 0. And then underneath I see 20 with a 2 and a 0. Going backwards from 10, there's a 9. Going backwards from 20, there's a 19. Going backwards from 9, there's an 8. Going backwards from 19, there's an 18. I hope you see some patterns in there. Let's see if that will help you. So we have 20, 19, 18, 17. What's 17 going to look like? A 1 and a 7. Before 17 is 16. What's it look like? A 1 and a 6. Okay, I have to get my hands ready again. So here we go. We're at 16. We're going to leave off for 16. Before 16 is What comes before 6? 5. What's that teen number with a 5 in it? 15. 15. Before 15 is going to be 14. What's it look like? 1 and a 4. 15, 14. Oh, this is sometimes a tricky one. What is it going to look like? A 1 and a 3. What does that number say? 13. Yes. Before 13, this is another tricky one. Sometimes kids know what it looks like first and they have a hard time saying it. Give it a try. All right. Did you say 12? Did you know it looked like a 1 and a 2? 5, 4, 3, 2. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Good job. And I don't have another number, but what would be right here? That would be our 10. We're back to 10. And then 9, 8, 7, 6. And it would keep going. Okay, so at home today, see if somebody can give you a number. Work within 10 to start. So anybody who's practicing with you, ask them to start just with numbers that are 1 to 10 and then count backwards. And if you can, try to go to those bigger numbers in the teens and see if you can go backwards from there. All right, great work, kindergartners. I'll see you later. Bye.